Welcome to this demo on deploying AI models in ToyStack through the CLI. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is run this command and ToyStack takes care of the rest. Let me quickly explain each of these arguments to make it easier. Model, it takes a path to the model. It can be a GitHub URL or just an image in the tag. Framework, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Ollama are supported. The runtime can be a valid version of Python. And if you chose Ollama as a framework, then you can skip this step altogether because that handles the runtime environment. Instances, CPU and GPU both are supported. Memory and storage, these are the maximum minimum values supported. We are working on improving this spec, and then any improvements here will be mentioned in the release notes. Endpoint, we support both public and private. And if you choose private, you will have to go to the dashboard and whitelist your IP to be able to access the URL. Scaling, a minimum of 1 instance and a maximum of 10 is supported right now. And any improvements here again will be part of the release notes, and then people using this CLI command can refer to it and then change it commands. Interfaces, we support both API and chatbot. If it's API you choose, the API follows the open API standards, and then all the endpoints that are part of it will be available here. And coming to chatbot, if you choose chatbot, you get the API connected to a chatbot, and then you can access the chatbot directly on ToyStack. You'll get the URL as soon as you enter this command. And environment variables, if there are any environment variables to be passed, you can just put comma separated values here as shown here, and then ToyStack pulls those values and then deploys them. Let me quickly run this thing and let's see how it goes. I've given it a DeepSeek R1 model, Ollama runtime, a GPU instance, memory of 16 GB, storage of 10 GB, made this endpoint public, and set autoscale of 1 in 3 instances, and a chatbot interface. I've run this. It takes a few minutes to deploy. Let's see the progress. Here it is. I've connected the chat interface to it. Let me see how it works. And that is it. The model is deployed and connected to the ToyStack chat interface. Thank you.